Due to less friction between rail track and iron wheel, a tractor can pull more weight. A fan and skilled worker performs quick wrap. A rolling conveyor that easily picks cotton bundle and loads into a container. This is detachable face mask with goggles that can be used in winters for outdoor activities like sports, running and cycling. Modern excavator features expandable tracks via a hydraulic cylinder. Inventions are needed to solve problems. Look at this bicycle-operated chaff cutter. Cotton candy machine's rotating mechanism pushes the sugar against a heating element and sugar is turned into tiny strands. A portable laser-powered rust removal that cleans a rusty metal. To check purity and concentration of a liquid, refractometer is used. Motor-operated lifter helps easier loading of sacks. People who are connected to their pets and don't want to experience the heartache of losing them prefers robotic pets. Motor-operated hammer that can generate enough force to break concrete layer. Rebar bending machine that can bend heavy-duty metals like steel, iron bar and TMT bar. A shuttlecock tied with a thread helps playing a single person. This AI machine can do human-like writing and drawing. Gloves are dipped into a solvent to make it electric shock proof. This is special form of stair lift that is designed for wheelchair users. Iron nails are being mounted on tires to make it skid proof. This is a manual printing process for drawing logo and other information on smartphone battery. By using technology and manpower, this paddy cutter performs very well. It's river garbage cleaning process that is today's need. A vacuum-powered suction hose can easily pick crops residue. This power roll machine can give perfect finishing on screed concrete. A mini DIY chain wrench is perfect for any size nut bolt. Specially designed bucket that can spread fertilizer evenly in the field. Different hose pipe attached on hydraulic wheel distributes water supply at another end. An automatic tire changing machine that can change rim and tire. This mini machine turns the position of wheat to maintain moisture. This is single row corn picker and harvester that is suitable for small farming. Demolition of one building affects another and process is going on. A hanging large container can carry concrete easily to target area.